lecture, let me give you a complete overview to the course. After watching this lecture, you will get an overall idea of what this course is all about. So here is a complete overview of the course. In the section 1, I will cover the basics about what is Clickbank. In this section, I will teach you what actually Clickbank is. You will learn about creating your Clickbank account and how to get started with it. Please don't skip this particular section because this is the foundation of the course actually. In the section 2, I will explain how niches are important in Clickbank. In this section, I will be showing you on how to choose the best niches for Clickbank to get promoted easily. I have provided you some basic tips and ideas on how to research best niche offers in this particular section to make it easier for you. If you follow these tips, you can find hidden niches and low competition, high profitable Clickbank products very easily. I guarantee you for it because of the trust I have in this system. In the section 3, I will cover on how to make money online using Clickbank. It is actually a 5-step process, and if you follow these tips, I am sure that you will be a successful Clickbank affiliate marketer. I'll be explaining you all the steps in detail to make sure that you are very clear about how to make huge profit from Clickbank. I will also be explaining you the important factors for promoting your Clickbank account here in detail. In the section 4, I will cover how to bring instant traffic into your Clickbank site. Here, I'll be showing you how to get my software, which is a part of the system, completely free with the course. You will exactly learn on how to bring in traffic to your Clickbank site, and this is the most important part of the course. I'll be explaining the interface of the software and how to use all the modules of the software in this section. You can also make use of this software for any website. This software can bring in laser targeted traffic not only to your Clickbank but also for your Amazon, CPA or any other product website. So I'm very eager to teach you everything, and let's get started.